All right, so here we are. We're out in, hey, wait, whoa, where you think you're going? Quit peeking. So my wife has no idea where I went yesterday. Hey, Allison, just remember I love you, okay?
What'd you do?
Yeah, okay. So now, maybe close your eyes and walk forward towards the workshop.
What do you think? We're going in the garage. What did Daddy get? He did not, I know he didn't get a car. That would be ridiculous. Okay, so Daddy got a car.
Okay, Caleb, you can open your eyes. But...
Oh, wait a minute. I see a Bills thing.
Yep. I already have a Buffalo Bills front license plate. So, should we take off the cover?
Caleb, Daddy got a car.
Any guesses?
What? I have a guess, because I know what he's been working on.
Yeah?
It's a Mustang, isn't it, Daddy?
It's a new Tesla!
That doesn't look like a Tesla.
All right, I'll take the cover off. Caleb, do you want to hold this camera? I'll start from the back.
Caleb, do you believe it? Do you believe that Daddy got a car?
Yeah.
Ay, ay, ay.
So just to let you know, first off, this was part of a divorce sale. I got it super cheap. Well, I mean, it wasn't super cheap, but it was a really good price. So
It's gonna be part of a second divorce sale.
no, that's exactly what I was hoping you wouldn't say. So I'll show it to you, and I think you'll hopefully like it. So I have to get that car cover over the antenna. Voila!
What do you think? What do you think? It's actually kind of nice.
Yeah, she likes it.
It's kind of nice looking, isn't it, buddy? What do you think?
Do you like it, Eddie?
You like it, Caleb? Oh, Caleb's hugging it. He
Caleb
approves.
I think Caleb just woke up, so he's a little tired.
I suppose I approve. It's rather nice.
Cool. All right, well, let me pull it out, and I'll show it to you in the light. So here it is. You guys want to come over and check it out in the sun? Yeah, she's not used to it. All of our other cars are quiet. So it's revving a little high right now. I think it just needs to warm up, but...
Very nice. Whoa.
There it goes.
Wow. Daddy, nice car.
Thanks, guys.
Wow.
You may get in it.
You can get in.
I'm really glad you guys approve.
You
This
gonna let
thing's
me
here.
drive it?
Yeah, you can drive it. It does have power steering, so hopefully you can handle that. But yeah, it seriously is mint. I've seen a lot of these cars and this thing is flawless. There's not a spot of rust on it anywhere. It really is nice.
Emma, what do you think?
Well, there it is. The family approves. We have to rush off to do family stuff the rest of the weekend, but thank God they like it, because I wasn't going to sell it. But thanks a lot for watching, guys. I really appreciate you stopping by. Feel free to do that typical YouTube stuff, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.